Today I'm introducing you to the HUMB Inta Space Acoustic Pods. In this range we have three different sizes. We have the Uno, the Duo and the Trio. Today I'm going to be focusing on the Uno, but the Duo and the Trio are also available with a sofa configuration and high and low table. So I'll talk you through the configurations that are available with the Uno. So as we enter the pod, we have four different configurations to choose from. We have the side panels, the table, the optional stool and the back panel. So in this configuration we have the grey side panels, but there are also 15 other colour options to choose from. This table here we have the oak, but there's also a white oak finish. And the back panel here, this has the glass back panel, but there's also a solid steel backplate available. And then the stool, this is an optional extra. This is available in 7 different colour configurations and pairs very well with the Uno. I'm now going to give you a view from inside the pod, and during this we're also going to perform an acoustic sound test so you can see the acoustic properties from inside the pod and also from outside the pod. For this we're going to play some light office background noise to replicate an office environment. And before we do this test, it's worth noting that the goal isn't for complete silence, but it's to get rid of a lot of the background noise and distractions, so it should just be a quiet humming sound. So we now have some very quiet office background noises, and this replicates a very quiet office. So as we enter the pod, I'll just give you a second just to hear the background noises. And as we shut the door, you should notice the difference in sound. So you should be able to hear the background noise and the difference that it's made now we've shut the door. And whilst we sit in here, I'm going to show you around the pod quickly. So on the left here is the light switch for the LED lighting, and then the right switch is for the ventilation system, which is above us here, along with the sensor and the LED natural light. And then beneath the table there is a hook you can hang your belongings, and the power output below there with a USB plug. As we open the door now, you'll notice the difference in sound. Now we can hear the office background again. I'm now going to show you the same video again, but from outside the pod, so you can hear the acoustic properties whilst someone's inside the pod speaking. And this replicates a very quiet office. So as we enter the pod, I'll just give you a second just to hear the background noises. And as we shut the door, you should notice the difference in sound. Hear the office background again. I hope this quick walkthrough has given you a good overview of the HUMB Inta Space Acoustic Pods. They've been a very popular product for us, provide the ideal solution to create a quiet, focused environment in any workplace. Whether that's one person making calls in the Uno, or multiple staff members meeting and collaborating in the Duo or the Trio. They're also sold with wheels, so they can easily be moved around any workplace to create this perfect solution for privacy and enhancing productivity. Please contact us today. One of our team members will be happy to help you create the perfect configuration for your work environment, or to create a quote or answer any questions that you may have.